Exams repeated very most important selected 50 questions and answers. 1. What is the hardest natural substance on Earth? Diamond. 2. Who proposed the theory of relativity? Albert Einstein. 3. Which planet is known as the red planet? Mars. 4. What is the SI unit of force? Newton. 5. What is the chemical symbol for gold? O. 6. Which organ in the human body produces insulin? Pancreas. 7. Who is known as the father of modern physics? Galileo Galilei. 8. Which acid is found in lemon? Citric acid. 9. Which is the fastest land animal? Cheetah. This. What is the boiling point of water? 100 degrees Celsius or 212 degrees Fahrenheit. 11. How many bones are there in the adult human body? 206. 12. What is the unit of electrical resistance? Ohm. 13. What is the speed of light? 299,792,458 meters per second. 14. What is the process by which plants make their food? Photosynthesis. 15. Which gas is essential for respiration? Oxygen. 16. What is the most abundant element in the universe? Hydrogen. 17. What is the chemical formula for table salt? NaCl sodium chloride. 18. Who was the founder of the Maurya Empire? Chandragupta Maurya. 19. Who was the last Mughal emperor of India? Bahadur Shah II. 20. Who was the first Governor General of independent India? Lord Mountbatten. 21. Who started the civil disobedience movement in India? Mahatma Gandhi. 22. When was the Jallianwala Bagh massacre? 1919. 23. Who was the first ruler of the Gupta dynasty? Sri Gupta. 24. Which Indian king fought the Battle of Haldighati against Akbar? Maharana Pratap. 25. Who gave the slogan, Inqilab Zindabad? Bhagat Singh. 26. Which U.S. president issued the Emancipation Proclamation? Abraham Lincoln. 27. Who was the British monarch during the American Revolution? King George III. 28. Which country was formerly known as Abyssinia? Ethiopia. 29. Which explorer is credited with circumnavigating the globe? Ferdinand Magellan. Although he died during the journey, his expedition completed it. 30. What year did India gain independence from British rule? 1947. 31. Which treaty established the European Union? The Maastricht Treaty. 32. Who was the Prime Minister of the UK during the Suez Crisis? Anthony Eden. 33. Which war ended with the signing of the Treaty of Ghent? The War of 1812. 34. What was the major event that caused the fall of the Berlin Wall? The collapse of East Germany's communist government in 1989. 35. Who was the first woman Prime Minister of the United Kingdom? Margaret Thatcher. 36. Which ancient Greek philosopher was the teacher of Alexander the Great? Aristotle. 37. In which year did the Titanic sink? 1912. 38. Who was the founder of the Ottoman Empire? Osman I. 39. Which event led to the beginning of the Protestant Reformation? Martin Luther's 95 Theses 1517. 40. What is the full form of GST in India? Goods and Services Tax. 41. Which sector is the largest contributor to India's GDP? The services sector. 42. What is the current currency of India? Indian rupee INR. 43. Who is responsible for issuing currency notes in India? The Reserve Bank of India RBI. 44. Which Indian organization is responsible for regulating the stock market? SEBI, Securities and Exchange Board of India. 45. What is India's rank in the world in terms of population? Second. 46. Which city is known as the financial capital of India? Mumbai. 47. Who was the first Indian to win the Nobel Prize in Economics? Amartya Sen. 48. Which is the largest public sector bank in India? State Bank of India SBI. 49. What does FDI stand for? Foreign direct investment. 50. Which tax is levied by both the central and state governments in India? Goods and Services Tax GST. Like और subscribe और share करो. जय हिंद जय Bharat.